So shout out to my e-bike guy. We are printing some battery holders for that 26650 battery build. Whipped it up in SolidWorks real quick. And this is just kind of a response to what we've been working on. Here's all the cells that I pulled out of those UPSs. To get an idea of the size of these cells in comparison to 18650, these things are big. So this is going to be the 14S8P. I'm going to be using one of these BMSs to make sure that nothing goes bad. I did order one of those grins that you talked about. When I say you, talking about the e-bike guy. Here's my setup right here. Just kind of throwing together the $200 special, just thrown onto the Schwinn. I've gotten it up to about 30 miles an hour with a little bit of pedal assist. And right now I'm looking around for my controller. I got a new controller that does 40 to 50 amps. Here it is. So e-bike guy, here's what we're working with. 40 to 50 amps. We're going to be doing 48 volts. I was hoping to get up to around 52, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it with these. I think the second battery is going to be a 21700. I did notice on these connectors, so here we have our main connector here, and then here's for the throttle control. And what's getting me on hooking this new one up is that there's supposed to be, I'll see if I can pick it up here on the camera. This is the throttle control for this other controller. So there's what, 6 wires, and over here I only have 3, maybe 4, that I need to figure out so that I can use my throttle. Let me know if you know what to do here. Always looking for a little bit of advice on some of these projects. You know, we kind of go at this alone. So hit me up, man.